Hi guys, in previous video I had taught you how to do the shading of eyes. I had put that video link in the description box. You can check that out. And in how to do the shading of nose, let's start with our tutorial. I'm starting with erasing the outline because in human face there is no outline. And I'm adding base layer with the HB pencil and blending it with the cotton. For second layer I'm again using a HB pencil and blending it again, and 2B pencil, more darker shade and blending it. Now I'm adding highlight on the dorsal and wing area with a small eraser. Now with 4B pencil I'm adding more darker shade in the lower part of area and blending it so that it looks smoother. And now I'm using sharp 5B pencil for detail work. Now with last 8B pencil I'm filling the nostrils area, darkest part in the nose. Here's our nose is complete, and in next video I'm going to teach you how to draw the lips. Okay guys, see you in the next video.